My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Ford Kuga. This vehicle has done just over 42,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, we can get quick access to valet mode, Android CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, emergency assistance, navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as a keyless ignition. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.